Hi, recently I got some reports about the previous hotel lock system for USB that they cannot make a master car, staff car, etc. So here is a workaround. So let's see how it acts, how the problem acts. So when we change to car key for staff, when we jump to master car, it will get something like this. The software is frozen, nothing to do. Okay, so we got to use the task manager to queue it. Okay, that now. Okay, so to make it to work, we need to adjust the time of the system to the 2023. So right click here, right click the time and adjust date and time. So please set the time automatically to off, otherwise you won't be able to change the date and time. And also disable set time zone automatically if possible. Now this change button will be available, so click it and I will jump the time back to 2023. Let's say that December should be okay already, and then click change. Now the clock is already changed back to 2023. Let's see what it will be happening if you start up the software. Okay, get in, I'll keep for start. No problem now, and we still be able to issue the car over 2024, not able to pass 2025. So we can, for example, issue the master car to 2024 December. After we issue the car, we will be able to turn the clock back if you have other stuff working on the same computer and you don't want the time to be messed up. You can change it back. That's how we resolve this issue.